welcome back. We bought a tractor the other day, and it's a pretty good tractor. We wanted it for some slashing, and we wanted to make sure it had the bucket that goes on the front. So you can see this is where the slasher goes. Turns out that's broken, so we'll need to get that fixed. And then we have the ability to have a bucket on there, but it didn't come with one. So it's a tractor we can't do anything with yet except go for a little spin. So let's see how we go. So I have got it in neutral, and I've got the brake on, and I'm about to turn the key on. Maybe it's not in neutral. And not sure what I'm doing wrong. So low, neutral, on. Okay, try again. About that. Alright, so I'm going to put it in high gear and turn the brake off, and let's see how we go.
Irresponsible tractor driving.